What's up guys? Welcome back to this channel, and this is the update for the fixing and modification that we did in this particular model. And we got this from Ace Attic. Recently, I did show you the actual condition of this toy. So this is the Terex PPM AC40/2L by NCG at 1:50 scale. So nung nakuha natin to, wala yung buong crane assembly niya, including this operator's cabin. So we replace it with KDW brand. Ang problem lang is 1:55 scale ang KDW. So for you to understand what I am saying, just focus guys to the size of the cabin. Mas maliit ng kaunti lang talaga ito. But on my point of view, yan yung best fit na part para dito sa crane na ito. So yung kay DW na ito, previously this is a color yellow. Kinulayan natin ng white. So sa telescopic part, tinanggal natin yung black color ng telescopic boom. Ang naging outcome niya is naging stainless steel color or chrome color. Yan, mas decent siya. Tapos itong mga bar ends, kinulayan natin ng white. Okay, so itong hook block niya is galing sa Demag AC500. Medyo mas malaki siya tignan pero fit na rin siya. Decent na rin. So sa part naman na to, nag-replace tayo ng beacon lights. Tapos naglagay tayo ng side mirror. Neat na rin tignan. And then, yung isa pang niyang issue is putol yung isang outrigger pad. Yan, this part. Unfortunately, ang naging case niya, itong outrigger pad kasi is threaded. So, ang naging case niya, naputol yung thread na iwan sa loob. So, ang ginawa na lang natin, finix na lang natin siya. Pero napupull out pa rin naman to. So far, yun lang naman nakita nating issue, mga missing parts. And then we added hoist to the hoist drum. This part. Yan, naglagay na rin tayo ng hoist do sa secondary drum niya. Okay, so aside from dyan, yung mga ganitong model ng NCG, wala talaga siyang spreader plate. Pero nag-prepare tayo ng spreader plate. Para may accessory siya. So supposedly, dito mo siya lalagay. Natanggal yung side mirror. Kabit na lang natin to later on. Tapos, itong crane na to, meron tong fly jib. Kinulayan na rin natin ng white to match yung telescopic crane. And ganito yung rest position nito when in transport mode. Dito yung rest position niya. There you go. Tapos may pin dun. Then, aside from dito, nag-prepare na rin tayo ng accessory na lifting chain. This part is a counterweight ng Demag AC500. So, nag-create tayo ng lifting chain. So this model is a very good support vehicle for our Demag AC500. So aside from this Terex, meron pa tayo isa dito na front loader with backhoe na with Terex emblem din. This one is made by Siku. So yan yung mga support vehicle ng Demag. So this is the actual Terex PPM AC40. It is a 2-axle all-terrain crane. So this is our lifting chain. Yan ang purpose niyan. So we can display like they are loading their own counterweight. So that's much of it, guys. If you like more of this diecast product review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. Subscribe, guys, for more. So I'll see you for the upcoming videos, and goodbye.
In the dark where shadows lie,